Dental crowns are a common dental procedure used to restore the shape, size, and strength of teeth. They are often used to protect weak or damaged teeth from further deterioration. In this video, we will discuss the art of crafting dental crowns, from preparation to placement. Preparation. The first step in crafting a dental crown is preparing the tooth. This involves removing any decay or damage from the tooth and shaping it to fit the crown. The dentist will take impressions of the tooth to ensure a perfect fit for the crown. These impressions will be sent to a dental lab where the crown will be custom made for the patient. Material selection. Dental crowns can be made from a variety of materials, including porcelain, ceramic, metal, and resin. Each material has its own benefits and drawbacks, so it is important to discuss with your dentist which material is best for your specific needs. Porcelain and ceramic crowns are often preferred for their natural appearance, while metal crowns are durable and long-lasting. Customization. Once the crown has been fabricated, it will be custom fitted to the patient's tooth. The dentist will check the fit and make any necessary adjustments to ensure a comfortable and secure fit. The color of the crown can also be customized to match the patient's natural teeth, creating a seamless and natural-looking smile. Placement. Once the crown has been prepared and customized, it is time for placement. The dentist will numb the area with a local anesthetic to ensure a pain-free experience. The tooth will be cleaned and the crown will be cemented into place. The dentist will make final adjustments to ensure the crown fits perfectly and does not interfere with the patient's bite. Aftercare. After the crown has been placed, it is important to take care of it properly to ensure its longevity. Good oral hygiene, including regular brushing and flossing, is essential to prevent decay and damage to the crown. Regular dental checkups are also important to monitor the health of the crown and the surrounding teeth. Crafting dental crowns is truly an art form that combines skill, precision, and creativity. From preparation to placement, every step in the process is carefully planned and executed to ensure a successful outcome. Whether you are in need of a dental crown for restorative or cosmetic reasons, it is important to work with a skilled and experienced dentist who can craft a crown that is both functional and beautiful. So, next time you are in need of a dental crown, remember the artistry that goes into crafting it and trust in the hands of your dentist.